What next? This course was a generalized course designed for everybody, from the freshers to the CEO, from the technical to the functional, from the business to anyone who works in SAP. This course would be helpful, but the follow-up of this course for the technical folks would be to learn the new syntaxes. If you are an ABAPer, then it is mandatory for you to take those ABAP 7.4 courses. So we would prepare a new course and you can enroll in those courses. I'm sure you will need it tomorrow, if not today. Once you are in HANA, you need to know the core data services. You need to know the AMDPs. You need to know the stored procedures. You need to know about modeling and calculation views. So that should be in your what to learn next kitty. So also, now you should start preparing yourself to learn what you need to do for the migration project from the normal ECC to S4 HANA project. Eventually, every client would move into S4 HANA soon. So we should keep ourselves abreast with the S4 HANA technologies. So we should learn the nitty-gritties of the migration projects. We should know the do's and do nots of any SAP ECC to S4 HANA migration projects. You need to learn about the ATC. You need to know about the functional DB check. You should know about the technical DB checks. You should know about what are the problems which you might face when you move from normal ECC to S4 HANA. With this, I rest this course. Please leave a review. That will help me in my future courses. Till we meet in our next courses, keep learning and keep exploring. Have a wonderful time ahead.